Did you know the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen? That's why it's called the lungs of the earth. And get this, the Amazon is so big that it covers 9 countries and is larger than the entire USA. It's home to over 3 million species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. And the Amazon River? It's the second longest river in the world and carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. The Amazon is one of Earth's greatest treasures. Let's protect it. Like and follow for more mind-blowing facts.